Are you 40 plus and ready to build your online brand but feeling overwhelmed by the tech landscape? Don't worry, AI can be your secret weapon to create a standout brand, even if you're just getting started. In this video, I'll share some actionable tips to help you use AI effectively to grow your online presence and attract your ideal audience. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that motivates me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get into this tutorial. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is to leverage AI for market research. AI tools like BuzzSumo or Answer the Public can help you identify trending topics and questions within your niche. I recommend that you start by typing in a few keywords which are related to your interest or your industry. These tools will show you what your potential audience is talking about and searching for right now online. Now, once you know what's hot, you can create content that speaks directly to those interests. For example, if you find that many people are curious about how to start an online business at 40 plus, I recommend that you create a blog post or a video around that topic. This way you'll be meeting your audience where they are and providing immediate value. AI-driven market research can also help you identify gaps in the content that you are producing. If you notice that no one is talking about using AI tools for beginners over 40, that's your opportunity to become the go-to expert on that specific topic. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is to use AI for content creation. AI writing tools like ChatGPT or Jasper can help you to generate content ideas, write engaging blog posts, or even create highly engaging social media captions. This doesn't mean letting AI do all the work, but using it to overcome writer's block or speed up your workflow. For example, if you struggle with writing engaging social media captions, I recommend that you input your main points into an AI tool and ask it to create 5 different variations. You can then choose the best one or refine it to suit your style. This saves you both time and helps you to maintain a consistent posting schedule. AI tools can also help you to repurpose content across different platforms. I recommend that you use them to turn a long blog post into a series of tweets or summarize a video into a short LinkedIn article. This maximizes the reach and impact of each piece of content that you create. Let me now give you tip number 3, which is to optimize your website with AI SEO tools. SEO tools like Surfer SEO or ClearScope use AI to analyze search engine data and suggest keywords that can boost your website's search engine ranking. I recommend you start by identifying the main keywords which are relevant to your brand, and then use these tools to find long tail keywords or phrases that your target audience is actually searching for. By using AI-driven SEO tools, you'll know exactly which words and phrases will make your content more discoverable. For instance, if you are targeting the keyword "start a business at 40", these tools can suggest variations like "best online business ideas for over 40", which may be less competitive and easier to rank for. Additionally, AI can help optimize your on-page SEO by analyzing content structure, readability, and keyword placement. This ensures that your site is not only informative, but it's also very easy for search engines like Google to understand and rank highly. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is to personalize customer interactions with AI chatbots. AI chatbots like those powered with Tidio or ManyChat can help you to engage with visitors to your website or social media 24/7. They can answer frequently asked questions, guide users to specific resources, or even recommend products and services. Let's say you have an online course on building a brand over 40. A chatbot can immediately engage visitors by asking if they're interested in free resources or a personalized course recommendation. This creates a tailored experience that can increase your conversion rates. Beyond basic customer service, chatbots can also collect data about your audience's preferences and their pain points. I recommend that you use this highly valuable data to refine your content and your offers, ensuring that you meet the needs of your ideal customers much more effectively. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is to automate your social media management with AI. AI tools like Hootsuite and Buffer can automate your social media scheduling, allowing you to plan posts weeks or months in advance. I recommend that you use AI-generated analytics to determine the best times to post for maximum engagement. For example, you might discover that your audience is most active online on Facebook around 8 p.m. I suggest that you schedule posts during this time to ensure that they're seen by more people. These tools also offer valuable insights on what types of content perform the best, so you can double down on what works. Additionally, AI-driven tools can curate relevant content from around the web to share with your audience, saving you time and keeping your feed more active. This keeps your brand visible and engages your followers without needing constant hands-on management. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is to enhance visual content with AI design tools. AI-powered design tools like Canva or Adobe Spark can help you create professional-looking graphics, logos, and marketing materials, even if you're not a designer. Simply select a template, customize it with your brand, colors, fonts, and text, and you're ready to go. For instance, you could use Canva to design a cohesive series of Instagram posts that reflect your brand's personality and your message. Or you could create a stunning ebook cover in just minutes to help market your online course. AI design tools also offer features like automatic resizing for different platforms and suggestions for color palettes, which ensures your brand looks polished and consistent across all your social media channels. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is to utilize AI analytics for better decision making. Google Analytics, Facebook Insights, and other AI-powered analytic tools provide deep insights into your audience behavior, their preferences, and their engagement patterns. I recommend that you use this data to tailor your content strategy much more effectively. For example, if you notice that videos perform better than blog posts for your audience, you can shift your focus to creating more video content. Or if you see a particular age group that is most engaged, you might refine your messaging to better suit their interests. Regularly reviewing AI-driven analytics helps you identify what's working and what's not, so you can adjust your strategies quickly and stay ahead of the curve. Let's now move on to tip number 8, which is to strengthen your email marketing with AI tools. AI tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit can help you to create highly personalized email campaigns. I recommend that you use AI to analyze which subject lines get the most opens or which content drives the most clicks. Let's say you're promoting a new ebook or online course. AI can help you segment your audience based on behavior, such as those who clicked on the link in your last email but didn't purchase. I recommend that you send them a follow-up email with a special offer or additional resources to encourage conversion. AI also enables A and B testing of different elements in your emails, from subject lines to call to action buttons, ensuring each campaign is optimized for success. Let's now move on to tip number 9, which is to use AI for effective ad targeting. AI-driven ad platforms like Facebook Ads Manager and Google Ads use machine learning to help you target the right audience. These platforms analyze user data to find patterns, ensuring that your ads are shown to people who are most likely to engage with them. For example, if you're advertising an online course for people over 40, AI tools can help you target users who have shown interest in self-improvement, online learning, or entrepreneurship. This precision targeting saves money and increases your chances of a successful ad campaign. I recommend that you experiment with different ad formats such as video or carousel ads and let AI tools optimize which ones perform best. Over time, you'll see improved ROI as your ads become more relevant to your target audience. Let me now give you tip number 10, which is to boost customer engagement with AI-powered personalization. AI tools like Optimizely or Dynamic Yield can help you create personalized website experiences for your visitors. These platforms analyze user behavior in real time to deliver tailored content, such as personalized product recommendations or dynamic landing pages. For instance, if a visitor frequently views blog posts about social media marketing, your AI tool can automatically suggest related courses, articles, or even webinars on that topic. This personalized approach keeps visitors engaged and encourages them to spend more time on your website. Personalization extends beyond your website. I recommend that you use AI to tailor your email campaigns, your social media ads, and even push notifications, ensuring each customer interaction feels unique and relevant to their interests and their needs. Let's now move on to tip number 11, which is to implement AI-driven voice search optimization. With the rise of smart speakers and voice assistants, optimizing your content for voice search is now becoming essential. I recommend that you use AI tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs to identify natural language queries relevant to your niche, particularly those starting with how, what, best, or why. Voice search optimization means creating content that answers specific questions directly. For example, if you find that people frequently ask, "How can I start an online business at 40 plus?" I recommend that you consider creating a video or blog post with that exact title and structure your content to provide concise and actionable answers. Additionally, I also suggest that you incorporate conversational keywords into your website and blog content. Think about how someone would verbally ask a question and use those phrases. This strategy can help you capture more traffic from voice searches, an increasingly important segment of online searches. Okay, so there you have it, 11 powerful tips you can use. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further is click the link in the description box below this video right now and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com, and you can get instant access to our comprehensive online training courses and resources. These are hands-on resources and are perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels, and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate an income online. So take action and check out that link right now below to learn more. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please give the video a thumbs up because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and have a wonderful day.